Hi guys, today we're going up there and there are horses over there. Hi everybody, we are now at the top of Dartmoor. We've just reached that view. And our tent's just back there. So we've got hot dogs for dinner, so yeah. Hello everybody. So we just got up here. We got the tent set up, it's the evening, and we've had dinner. We climbed up there and where those trees are and there. And we're just climbing up here at the moment. So this is just like a little seating area, as you can see. We're on Pil Tor. We have just spotted a horse and some sheep. And there are some back there as well. Let me go here.
Here you go.
So yeah, that's really cool. We've done that. There's all the views again. I didn't really get it last time. There, can you see those?
Horsey.
Ah, there you go. That is lovely. So I'm in the same place. I'm just gonna get down. Hold the camera. Can you hold the camera while I get down?
And what you do is action shot. You ready? Go. Oh.
So yeah, we went there, there, and there. So my mum's just in the tent. Here's my dad.
Hello.
So we just went up there. There. Oh look, a little pony. Well, I said. Yeah. So that's what we did. There are not very much others. The sun's just going there. Don't know if you can see that. The sun's just going. Oh, no, you can't really see it. I'm seeing my little horsey. Oh, it's coming to us.
They really still much better to say hello.
I don't want to do it. I just got scared. So yeah, we did a long walk from all the way down there up to here. So yeah, it's the yellow weather, so that means a lot of rain. Oh, I suppose this. See that horse? I'm trying to sit on the horse. I don't think you can see it. I don't think you can see it. My dad's going to see if he can show that out. There you go. There's the horse. So yeah. I'll just... What if it comes over to him? He's like, so my mum's like, why are you like wide mouth open? like this.
That's what we stay in here.
So yeah, I'm just gonna put the phone here, sorry. But not listening to me. If sorry, I'm just getting up. So yeah, I'll ring into the house. Daddy, can you hold the phone? So I have to do is like force myself hold on for a really tight jump.
Stay still, stay quiet. We're not bothering them, they're not bothering us, are they?
So I'm just gonna stay quiet for a bit and then see
Lovely, isn't
if
it?
this house happens. Can you
Sun breaking through it there a minute ago.
yeah. Can you just hold it so they can see and look how facing? Yes, so
Yeah?
no.
It's not really raining out here.